Hey finance enthusiasts, did you know that in the first quarter of 2024 alone, Microsoft, Meta, and Google spent $32 billion on AI investment? Tech giants like Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, and Google are leading the charge in AI investments, collectively pouring billions into AI technologies and infrastructure. 61% of CFOs are prioritizing AI investment in 2024, with top focus areas including AP automation, risk management, and workflow automation. While large enterprises are investing in custom AI solutions, many SMEs and mid market companies are opting to buy third party AI solutions as they are cost effective and have a faster implementation timeline. The total cost of ownership for custom AI development can cost more than $4 million over 7 years, whereas third party solutions cost $20,000 on average annually, allowing companies to access advanced AI features without the hefty price tag of custom development. As companies worldwide are investing in AI, where are you on the AI implementation roadmap? Are you building or buying?